bit of swells in the bay, and gale warnings and 40 knots forecast.
You just come off a 10-day trip on the Spirit, and what's your thoughts about tomorrow's race?
If the pistols end up going out, it could be a good race. Could be a bit gnarly in parts, but with it sounds a bit interesting. But I can tell you the Spirit will be out there.
Spirit will be there, mate.
Yeah.
Full on.
Yeah, probably full on. Trainees day one, so it's definitely something to watch out for. But they have a good trip up the coast tonight. So.
I reckon.
Warning for break southeast 20 knots, gusting 30 knots. Rising 30 knots, gusting 40 knots this morning. Into southerly 35 knots, gusting 45 knots this afternoon.
It seems just about as difficult as the weather forecast, not necessarily much more certain. So if you're all happy to go for a sail today, that'd be great. I guess the main thing is to be careful today. It's one of those days with poor visibility, slippery decks, you know all about it, but just take extra care and watch out for collision.
The rain just carried on coming. It never seemed to stop. In the end, I had nothing left that was dry to wipe the camera lens with, and so decided to head back home. The thought of a warm hungy to fill me up was also an influencing factor, so as I headed back past Tarpecker Point, I looked forward to next year when hopefully the weather might be better for the Tall Ships and Classics Regatta.